Hey, how's it going? My name is Mel. I'm with Radical Firearms. I'm actually the marketing director over here. And today I just want to go over a couple of things. So I want to introduce you to the XO1. The cool system about this is you actually take the modular fire control unit, drop it in here, and you can actually have yourself a version of a subgun. You can actually take it apart by pushing the D10 in and popping it out. Drop your fire control unit in, and then take your slide and your barrel and your spring combo, slide that on, close it back up. Boom. And there you go. From there, you can actually rack it similar to an HK style MP5 and have a whole subgun ready to go.
What is this designed for, this chassis?
It's actually designed for a SIG P320, subcompact as well as full size.
And when is this available?
This is actually available now.